Alright, so tearing into this thing, I decided to check to see if timing's right. And the way you check timing is this little notch right here goes to this little bolt here. And this bottom screw, which is this plastic rubber one, there's a T in there if you could see. Try to get a better look. And that is top dead center. And as I turn that around, once this notch here on the sprocket will be down below, and twice it's back in line with this. So I don't think it's out of time. It's kind of weird, which makes me believe that something inside this motor is locking it up. So I'm going to keep taking it off and go from there, I guess. So after a lot of thinking, my dad actually discovered probably what's wrong with it. This piston, what is this thing called? This connecting rod is probably bent that way, and it's pushing all the stuff because right there is where the magneto sits. It's probably bent this way, and that's why it's scraping up the magneto and why it's having problems turning. Because when the guy first showed it to us, he was all in on the ether, just trying to get running. So my dad actually thought to himself that this is probably bent this way and it's getting the magneto caught. So we're going to figure that out, and that's actually a genius idea of why it gets caught. So far all I really did was pull off 10 millimeters and just grab a feeler gauge, which is this, and check the gap between them. It says 7 thousandths, that says 7 on it, so that's how I figured it out. And you just kind of slide it in there and make sure that it goes in and it doesn't really get stuck. That one might be a little too tight. This one, however, is probably good. Let me just double check. Make sure I'm not stupid. Yeah, this one is, or should be, pretty good. But anyway, so just slide it in and out. So we took off the timing chain, the sprocket. So as you can see, that bottom pin is where that nipple should go on the other side, and that should line up there with that nub, and that's how you get timing. We might as well replace the timing chain as well. We're going to take this off. We're going to take these 4 off, lift it up, and see if the connecting rod's bent, which is why it makes this probably stop. And I don't have to separate it anyway, because I got to take it to my friend to get that piece done professionally and not the way it is. So we're going to get that going in a couple minutes right now, but if Ben's correct and that thing's bent, I'll call him the smartest Polish guy I know.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Alright, so after the 4 long bolts of the 9/16 from the top are removed, we're going to move the line completely off. And then we're going to tackle these bolts here, which are 8 millimeter, and try to take this top off. You can, just one bolt right here and it's off. I'll put that over there. 10 bolts, I got. Yeah, see that. Okay. I'll put here the bolts in that in case. Listen, starter. You actually go it like this. That's what most people did, but with probably crowbar. Better, just a little bit bigger. Pull out nice and easy.
Coś blokuje to.
Well, we'll have to take this off because Angela has to fix this, and then take this off. My private welder, Chaz. So I'll take this off.
Ale tak go nie wyciągniemy. A czekaj, spróbuję jeszcze go. Jego trzeba.
Not yet, yeah.
Pewnie ten go trzyma, jest tam jakaś.
Yep, probably. Okay.
Tego może mały młoteczek? Czy... No bo i tak go nie wyciągnie go.
Well, we'll have to take this out. Starter out.
Użyłem części.
I'll put over here.
No i teraz już to jest obojętne.
We'll have to take this out anyway.
To trzeba hammer, ten daj mi mały.
And I can give the piece to Angelo and got it. Another piece that flew off. Is it in here? No, this is old shit. Okay.
To jest to.
Yep. Okay. I'll give that to Angela later.
To mu zostawię, niech oni sobie pukają, będą widzieć jak co tu
Yeah,
potrzeba.
I'm gonna leave that so they can see it at least.
On tu jest połączony z tym?
I don't know. You wanna? No, I don't think so. I think you just take it right off.
No.
No.
On jest połączony z tym. Trzeba to ściągnąć.
Okay. 8mm everywhere. Take it off. Well, first thing first, that's 10. We got 9/16 first, and then we take out this.
Niby nie jest połączony z tym. Jest ten. Się tu podniósł, czeka. Tu go coś.
Piston, yeah, there you go.
Bo to jest cylinder tam
Yep.
na dół.
Just be careful with that chain. We'll have to loosen that up and take that out.
Tu jest gaz.
Gasket, yeah. Oh, good compression. Cool.
Gdzie jest co tam spod spodu?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's bad. This is actually pretty good. Look. Not too bad.
Cylinder jest ok.
Cylinder's okay. So it's not scorned. It's pretty good in there. I'll put that in here. Oh, actually, I don't like what this is. What is this? I don't know. Might be part of gasket.
Przekręć teraz.
This.
Nie poszedł do góry tłok.
Up.
No.
Hold engine down.
Bardziej, bo tutaj.
Yeah. Put this in here too.
Powinny być 3.
No, 3.
Nadaj go do góry.
Okay, holding engine.
Wait.
Yep.
Nie wiem. Tutaj lata. Nie, wygląda, że nie jest gięty. Czego to żygocze? No nic tak czy innego, trzeba to...
Take that off.
To
8mm. Fine. You had 8mm over there, the long one? Long 8? Yeah, that'll do. Cool. Oh, we need 9/16 for that one. There it is. Cool. 9/16 or 14mm.
Trzeba zobaczyć co to jest, że tak żygocze.
Yeah, well, that's all right in here. Move that again. Move the bowl. No, in and out like you did before. Yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to play that have that much play.
To jest
But this
przesunięte.
comes out. You know, the guy used his hands or fork, and this is supposed to come out. That looks good. Probably a wrench or something. Stay? No, stay. Dog. Damn it. There it is. We have to take this off. This ring, yeah. No, don't spring. We gotta just pull it off.
No ale próbuję i nie wychodzi, bo on później...
Because we need that off so I get this on.
No ale on tu nie wejdzie.
Just try with all this. No, he's off.
Możesz powiedzieć, okej.
Flathead screwdriver and pull off, maybe. So those are supposed to be in there, and you can see they're out. So that's why that was moving like crazy. And these are all loose. So maybe these are the pins that they were talking about. Wow. That's how messed up. Pull these off.
To się odkręcę?
Yeah. And see what magic there is inside. Bullshit. Yep, so those three are supposed to be in there and in there. You can see they've been bouncing around in here for a couple of times now. So that could be that. You can see on this they were bouncing around, so that could be the problem right there. All these marks. Because look where they're supposed to be. See right there, and right there. These are just bouncing around on the back.
One powinny się były ruszać, tylko
Yeah.
te śruby w ogóle były popuszczone. One powinny
Yeah,
te
they were loose.
były dokręcone.
Yep.
I one haratały. Czyli tam jest wszystko dobrze. Tu,
So
był,
it's just that those bolts were loose.
tu był problem.
Okay. Either way, I have to crack this open and get that piece to Angelo, so...
Ale to, no, patrz.
Yeah.
Tutaj zdarte,
Yep.
bo nie było dokręcone. okej. A to? Powinno być okej.
Well, now we know why the magneto kept getting destroyed, because that kept moving.
I to latało tak.
Yep. So those might be the pins that Craig was talking about. That he said that they're pins. If they don't go in, nothing works. So that might be pins. That's it.
Dlaczego one wypadają? Nie powinny wypadać?
No, they should be on there tight, but that one's probably messed up so bad. Just push that one back in right there and then bolts. Stepped on it. Yep, there it is.
Nie powinny być ten, ale przede wszystkim to było to, że te śruby były popuszczone.
Yeah, they were loose.
Bo to powinno być skręcone tak, że powinien być ściągacz
Tight.
używany,
Yep.
a tu my ściągli rękami.
We didn't even need the tool. Just came right off with our hands.